So in this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can fix iCloud storage failed to backup. Now, first of all, what we need to do is head over to our settings here. And once we open up settings, if we go to the top of the page and click on our Apple ID, once we select our Apple ID, we will then be able to scroll down until we see the option for iCloud here. Select this option and then it will bring you over to this page. Now, if we scroll down, what you will notice on my iPhone is it does say that the iCloud backup, the last attempt failed. So if we click into here, we can kind of see what is going on and the reason why the iCloud backup did fail. So what you'll notice is that my iCloud storage is currently full. So this is the reason why my iCloud storage and the backup did fail on my Apple and iPhone device, right? So this could be an iPad, iPhone, whatever you're using. But essentially what you need to do to be able to back up whatever you want to back up to your iCloud now is you will need to increase your storage. Now, as you can see under the your iCloud storage is full option, you will see an option for upgrade for 99p per month. Now, this is of course not free to be able to do, but it is a very cheap option if you do not want to obviously take any of your data, photos, videos, things like that off your iPhone device. You will be able to upgrade for very, very cheap here. And then once you upgrade and you've got more storage, your backup will then work as normal and you will then be able to back up whatever you need to back up on your iPhone, iPad, or any other Apple device. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.